Have you ever stopped to think about how much technology has changed our lives? From ancient times to modern society, humans have constantly looked for new and innovative ways to make our existence easier and more efficient. How would you feel if I showed you something that would challenge all your assumptions about the car industry? This Japanese company has accomplished the unthinkable. They have built the world's first engine that is toxic recyclable. Not only that, but this engine might completely alter the way we drive in the future. Therefore, stay tuned as we explore the world's automakers industry, focusing on a Japanese brand that shocks Toyota, the toxic recycled engine that's revealed, and what this means for the future of the automotive industry. Toyota Motor Corporation continues to actively support hydrogen fuel cells as one of the greatest options for next-generation energy sources. However, another Japanese business has just revealed a noteworthy development in the post-Beekers gasoline industry. Reputable Japanese shipping company NYK witnessed this historic occurrence on July 17, 2024, when it delivered ammonia for the first time for a tugboat powered by ammonia. With the marine industry always looking for new ways to find cleaner, more environmentally friendly fuel options, this project is a critical step toward the sector's sustainable growth. NYK's move towards ammonia-fueled vessels is in line with the global push for decarbonization, which is crucial to battling climate change. The maritime sector is responsible for a significant amount of greenhouse gas emissions, and finding cleaner fuel alternatives is necessary to reduce its carbon footprint. Ammonia, which is made up of hydrogen and nitrogen, has emerged as a promising candidate for decarbonization as it produces zero emissions when combusted. NYK's first ammonia-fueled tugboat marks an important milestone in the shipping industry's transition towards more sustainable operations. Hopefully, it will inspire other companies to follow suit and invest in cleaner fuel alternatives, ultimately contributing to a more environmentally friendly transportation industry. As such, it is considered a highly consequential event that could reshape the industry's future trajectory, outlook, and approach to reducing the adverse effects of its operations. This is an attempt to increase the amount of recycled materials used in fuel production, while also providing an environmentally beneficial alternative. The use of recycled materials in fuel production has been gaining momentum in recent years as companies and governments seek to reduce the environmental impact of fossil fuels. The announcement of the world's first commercial-scale plant for converting plastic waste to fuel is a significant milestone in this effort. This plant is expected to reduce the amount of plastic waste in the environment while also producing a viable source of fuel. The benefits of this project extend beyond environmental stewardship, as it represents an economic opportunity for companies involved in waste management and fuel production. Overall, this project is a positive step in the direction of a more sustainable and responsible energy industry. Additionally, this effort by NYK also highlights the importance of innovation and collaboration in creating sustainable solutions. By partnering with MTI, they were able to develop a system that improves the efficiency of their ships while decreasing their environmental impact. This kind of cross-industry teamwork is essential in finding ways to reduce emissions and transition to a more sustainable future. As transportation continues to be a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, it is crucial to explore alternative options that can help mitigate environmental harm. New technologies and renewable energy sources should be embraced to increase the sustainability of the shipping sector and the entire transportation industry. Through initiatives like NYK's, we can move towards a more sustainable future and reduce the impacts of climate change. NYK's transition towards using ammonia as fuel shows that the industry is slowly gravitating towards cleaner energy sources to help mitigate the risks of climate change. The move towards ammonia is a positive step, as ammonia is a zero-carbon fuel that does not emit CO2 when burned. Furthermore, ammonia is already widely used in fertilizer production and other industrial processes, which means that there is already an existing infrastructure for its production, transport, and handling. Although this technology is still in its early stages, it has the potential to lower emissions and change the course of the maritime industry. The success of this milestone is important, as it will pave the way for future efforts to reduce emissions and protect our planet. This switch to ammonia fuel is part of NYK's efforts to reduce emissions and support the decarbonization of the maritime industry. As a key player in the shipping sector, NYK's commitment to investing in new fuels and technologies is essential in achieving ambitious climate goals. The project marks a significant development in marine propulsion, as the tugboat, fueled by liquefied natural gas (LNG) up until now, will undergo a complete overhaul of its engine system for the use of ammonia as fuel. This transition from LNG to ammonia is a clear example of NYK's openness to trying other new fuels to make the maritime industry green. The safe and efficient use of ammonia on ships will require significant research and development, including collaborative efforts with various stakeholders in the industry. Success in this transition will spur innovation and motivate other shipping companies to make the shift towards cleaner energy sources, making the shipping industry a more sustainable and eco-friendly sector. NYK has taken a step forward towards a green future by turning towards eco-friendly ammonia production. The initiative involves the usage of EcoAN, a type of ammonia that is produced at Resonance Corporation's Kawasaki plant. This specific ammonia is not the typical fuel, and its production process involves recycled plastics as a percentage of the input material. While EcoAN is not distinct in this aspect, the use of such a material in the production process will go a long way in reducing the carbon footprint. This groundbreaking process is a part of NYK's approach toward maintaining sustainable operations worldwide. With the looming threat of climate change, green initiatives like these are essential in our journey towards a cleaner future. As part of NYK's ongoing efforts towards reducing its carbon footprint, it aims to reduce greenhouse gas emissions by 30% by 2030. Such eco-friendly projects and initiatives are also critical in leading the shipping industry towards a sustainable future. The incorporation of EcoAN into the Sakigake vessel for sea trials is an exciting development in the shipping industry. Apart from being a cleaner fuel, using ammonia as fuel is revolutionary in that it is produced from renewable energy, such as wind and solar power, and waste products, such as animal feed and human waste. This fuel production system is eco-friendly and sustainable, two attributes that are highly valued in today's world where there's an increased demand for environmentally sustainable practices in every industry. Furthermore, through utilizing waste materials to produce fuel, this innovative technology helps to minimize carbon emissions and reduce waste. This approach aligns with the principles of a circular economy, which emphasizes zero waste and the maximum utilization of resources. As industries globally are looking for ways to reduce their carbon footprint, the adoption of such eco-friendly fuel production systems is becoming a necessity. Therefore, the use of EcoAN in the shipping industry demonstrates the possibility of producing environmentally friendly fuel while also reducing waste. Utilizing renewable energy sources and recycling waste materials to produce fuel is one of the many steps that the shipping sector can take to reduce its carbon footprint and contribute to the achievement of global sustainability goals. The successful ammonia bunkering by NYK marks a significant milestone in the shipping industry. This innovative approach to fuel production and usage paves the way for a cleaner and more sustainable future for the industry. However, there are unique challenges associated with using ammonia as a marine fuel, as it is toxic. NYK made sure to take adequate safety measures by holding several safety and planning sessions before the actual bunkering process began, in consultation with its partners JERA and Resonac. Collaboration is vital for the successful adoption of new fuel types, and NYK's initiative to work closely with industry partners is commendable. By working transparently and safely with key stakeholders, NYK is leading the way not only in using ammonia as marine fuel, but also in promoting a collaborative approach to sustainable shipping. Such partnerships can bring together industry players, technology providers, and regulatory bodies to establish a robust and reliable infrastructure for ammonia-fueled ships' safe bunkering and operation. Furthermore, NYK's successful ammonia bunkering sets a new standard for the shipping industry, demonstrating the importance of collaboration and safety measures when adopting new fuel types. By taking a proactive approach and working with partners to ensure transparency and sustainability, NYK is leading the way towards a more eco-friendly future for the global shipping industry. The ammonia bunkering project was completed successfully and efficiently, demonstrating the applicability of this type of AF in a maritime environment. This method of addressing the safety issues sets the standard for ammonia bunkering procedures in the EU. It highlights the collaboration of all parties involved to achieve the shared objective of advancing innovative fuel technologies. Therefore, Sakigake, the tugboat's successful ammonia bunkering by NYK, is a big step in the correct direction toward the marine industry's transition to greener fuels. Therefore, by creating this fuel from recycled materials, NYK's ammonia proposal, as a marine fuel, has demonstrated an integrated attitude toward the environment. This accomplishment further demonstrates ammonia's efficacy as a potential green fuel. It highlights how crucial it is to implement safety precautions and include other interested parties in the process of technological transition. The Sakigake project and NYK's groundbreaking work using ammonia fuel are clear indicators of the maritime sector, even if the industry is considering a variety of decarbonization methods. This progress has guaranteed the sustainability of maritime commerce, while questions like how to address cradle-to-grave emissions and scale up the next generation of ammonia-producing plants remain relevant. Thanks for watching. Kindly click the button below to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.